Hey there, aspiring tech educators. If you're looking to dive into the world of content creation, especially in tech, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the essential languages and skills you need to kickstart your journey. So grab a notebook, because you'll want to jot this down. First things first, let's talk about the foundation. If you're going to teach tech, you need to be comfortable with coding. And where do we start? Well, I recommend beginning with HTML and CSS. These are the building blocks of the web. HTML is like the skeleton of a web page, while CSS is the skin that makes it look good. Understanding these two will not only help you create simple websites, but they'll also give you a solid grasp of how the web works. And trust me, that's crucial when you're explaining concepts to others. Next up is JavaScript. This is where things get really exciting. JavaScript allows you to add interactivity to your websites, making them dynamic and engaging. Think of it as the magic wand that brings your site to life. As a tech educator, being proficient in JavaScript means you can teach your audience how to create fun and interactive projects, which is a surefire way to keep them engaged. Now, if you're feeling adventurous and want to dive deeper, consider learning a framework like React or Vue.js. These tools help you build complex user interfaces with ease. They're in high demand, and knowing them will set you apart as an educator. Plus, you can create some really cool projects to showcase in your content. But let's not forget about backend development. This is where languages like Python and Node.js come into play. Python is fantastic for beginners due to its readability and versatility. It's used in everything from web development to data science. Node.js, on the other hand, allows you to use JavaScript on the server side. Understanding both will give you a well-rounded perspective on full-stack development, which is invaluable when teaching others. Now, while coding is crucial, let's talk about another essential skill: communication. You need to be able to explain complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand. Practice breaking down difficult topics into bite-sized pieces. Use analogies, visuals, and real-world examples to make your lessons relatable. Remember, the goal is to empower your audience to grasp these concepts, not to overwhelm them. Next, let's touch on video production skills. You're creating content after all. Invest some time in learning about video editing software like VideoGen, Adobe Premiere Pro, or Final Cut Pro. Understanding how to edit your videos will elevate your content and keep your audience engaged. Good lighting, clear audio, and a solid editing style can make a world of difference in how your content is perceived. And what about social media? Building an online presence is key. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are great for sharing your journey, engaging with your audience, and promoting your content. Don't underestimate the power of a strong online community. Networking with other tech educators can provide support, inspiration, and collaboration opportunities. Lastly, never stop learning. The tech world is constantly evolving, and staying updated on the latest trends and tools is essential. Consider taking online courses, attending webinars, or joining tech communities. The more you learn, the more you can share with your audience. So, to sum it all up, start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Explore frameworks like React and backend languages like Python. Hone your communication and video editing skills. Build your social media presence. And keep learning. You've got this. Embrace the journey, and remember, every great educator started somewhere. Get out there and start creating.